Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make an I-cord. I use this method to make the feet for the latest chick pattern that you can find on my blog. So I'm going to leave a link there in the descriptions below. So I'm going to use a different kind of yarn here. So just make a slip knot. And then chain 3, so 1, 2 and 3, and then insert the hook in the next chain and pull up a loop, and then the last chain, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, and just remove the last 2 loops. You can also hold them like with your fingers so you don't lose them. Now chain 1 and then insert the hook through the first loop and yarn over and pull up a loop, and on the last loop like so, and now repeat. So I like to pinch them like this, and then you can hold the yarn tail here to create a little tension also with your finger here. So chain 1, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, and chain 1. So you just gonna do this until your I-cord is long enough. At the beginning this can be a little tricky, but after a while it's easier. See, like this. I'm going to show you how to finish off. So like this, and just yarn over and pull through all the loops. Now I'm also going to show you how I made the little feet here. This is just for the chick pattern. So chain 1 and then chain 3. Now do a slip stitch in first chain here from that you made, and then make a slip stitch here, like in the I-cord. Now repeat 3 chains, slip stitch. This is a picot stitch, and then a slip stitch right back here to the base. Chain 3 and slip stitch, and also slip stitch here back to the chain. So this is how I made the feet. So if you're not gonna do the chick pattern, just ignore the last part, but here's also how to do the I-cord. So be sure to visit my blog and you can find this free pattern there. So have a nice day, and make sure to subscribe. Goodbye.